Hi everybody, today we're opening up that all of the World Champion decks, 3 Pokemon packs, and some 2 things I got from Dave & Buster's. So first we're going to open up the things that I got from Dave & Buster's. Is that fine? If you don't want to watch it, then you can skip to a different part of the video. Oh, I see you do. You do throw it at a wall. Okay, ready? Yeah. Come on, dog. It would splat on my head. So I think that's pretty cool. One sticky thing, and then we have that little sticky hand. You can get the sticky hand only for $50 at Dave & Buster's. And I also got a Pokemon pack at Dave & Buster's. And 2 other packs, which I think are pretty cool. Dang it. I wish we could do that for the opening. So yeah, I'm going to put that hand in there. Well, let's do our 3 booster packs first. First I'll do the Evolved one. So first the Voltorb, Poliwag, Ghastly, Magnemite, Seal, Shiny Energy, Dark Energy, Beedrill, Trainer card, Double Energy, Double Colorless Energy, Machoke, and then let's move on to the Breakpoint.
What's up, YouTube?
Florivu, Psyduck, Gible, Scorpy, Slowpoke, Blitzel, Raticate, we got Lapras, Trainer Great Ball, Spirit Link, and then the last one. So I wonder if we'll like try to do that. Nope, it just rips the tag off. Now we're doing the breakthrough one, which I think is going to be cool. Oh, look at that. We already got a puppy Pokemon. Snubble. Remoraid. I don't even know if that's how you say it. Doodle. Pillpup. Hippopotamus. Chespin, my favorite Pokemon. Chespin. Oh. You know what? This is definitely going into a special place. Mr. Mime. Oh, Mime here. Colorful Energy. Cacturn. A Mewtwo Spirit Link. Well, so yeah, that was awesome. Favorite part of it was getting Chespin. Look at that. Wait, to like make it. CC Chespin, and kind of need a little bit lighter. CC Chespin, you can see like Snorlax in the background going snore. I like that. Now featuring the 2016 championship. So yeah, let's see. Let's get this thing opened up. And we got a little booklet of the championships. Oh, look at this. It's so cool. There's all, okay, so, yeah, so first things first. We have a deck. We have Darky EX. Got Hoopa EX Championship. Oh my gosh, every single one of them signed and they're all championships. That would have been awesome, I think so. And we have 2 decks. So yeah, let's get this championship opened up. Ugh. Gosh. There we go, we got a piece. Sorry, I was taking so long. Oh, these are the energies and trainers and stuff. Okay, guys. So yeah, those are just all the energies and trainers. Now we just gotta get into the actual Pokemon cards. Ugh. Another trainer, a trainer. Ooh. 2 EXs of Garchomp. 2 Yaddles. Let's see. Yeah. Now, Garbage Guy. A Darky. Yeah. Rubbish. Ooh, we got Shaman. Yeah, Shaman EX 2 times. Oh, we have all. So we have everything 2 times. This guy, trainers. Do you guys want to look at the trainers? I hope not, because they're all boring. That was an awesome time with you guys. I got some EXs. I'm gonna get them all the EXs I got and put them. Got some world championships. Every single one of them is a world championship. Oops, that one's flipped around so it didn't look like one, but we got tons of world championships. I'm happy about that. Rubbish. And yeah. So, let's get all these energies. Let's put all the energies we got into there. But we got so many EXs, so many of them. 4 EXs. We have 4 different EXs because only have a few same ones. San Francisco. So that's pretty cool, guys. It's a BB deck. Ooh, breaks and EXs and stuff. So yeah, it's a deck. Yeah, which I think it's pretty cool. Got some pretty awesome stuff. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.